Hi students, let us try to understand one problem student. What the question is, draw the Newman projection formula for different conformation of ethane. Okay, what is the, if you talk about the ethane friend, so this is the formula CH3 CH2 CH3 CH3. If you are viewing from this side, if you are going to view from this side, right, if you are going to view this carbon, so here will be your eyes, right? So, dear friend, what will this carbon will be represented? One carbon will be represented by point. This is the first carbon, and second carbon is going to be represented by circle, right? So, point. This is the first carbon, and this is the going to be second carbon, right? In the Newman projection, we are talking about the Newman projection. So here you can make it out. This one. This is the front hydrogen of the front carbon, right? Now we are talking about the, now let us go for the back carbon. So what are the back carbon? This is going to be back carbon. This is the back carbon. Okay, hydrogen. And here you will find this is also going to be back carbon, right? And this is the Newman projection. Newman projection. But what is talking about here, the distance between two hydrogen are large, angle is 60 degree, 60 degree. So this is, if it is 60 degree, that is what is known as staggered. Okay, staggered conformation, Newman projection of staggered conformation. This is, now student, when you talk about the other form, so what you will going to find student, that is the front carbon and that is back carbon. Okay, this is the back carbon, right? Now what we are going to do here, we are going to mention this out. So the front carbon is like that, this is the hydrogen of one carbon, and this is, so this is hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now if you talk about the back carbon friend, so the hydrogen is just just immediate back, just it is immediate back. Here you can see this one hydrogen, and this is also, you will find that is, here is what is there student, that is again going to be hydrogen. So here the distance is very less, so theta is equal to 0 degree. So this conformation is known as what? Eclipsed conformation of Newman projection. Okay, Newman projection. So that is how we can draw the eclipsed and staggered conformation. Okay, so this is what the conformation. You can read out the slide also. Here you can see the different spatial arrangement of atom in a molecule which are readily interconvertible by rotation about the single bond are called the conformation. Conformation represent conformers which are readily interconvertible and thus non-separable. Newman projection formula for different conformation of ethane. When an ethane molecule rotates about its carbon-carbon single bond, two extreme conformation can result in the staggered conformation and the eclipse conformation. So here that is 60 degrees there, that is staggered conformation. If you rotate, that is it is will come the eclipse conformation and bond angle is 0 degrees. So this is Newman projection of the ethane. This is all about the answer student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comments.